this dress look amazing. Not really. My color though, it's too bright. I like a more, uh, I like a more subtle color. What about this one? It's pretty subtle, isn't it? Yes, that is perfect. Let's me try it. Mm. You look beautiful in it. It thin. I really like the shape, but if the size is wrong, it's a bit too big around my waist. Wait a minute. Let me ask. Let me ask if they have a smaller size for you. Hi, excuse me.